Hey guys, it's me, FreshwaterYeti. Coming at you with a humidifier haul. Well, there's just one, so I don't know how much of a haul it is. Now, you're probably all thinking to yourself, a humidifier, like, why do you even need that fresh water? Well, honestly, mostly freshwater Yetis do need humidifiers because since we're living on land now, it's hard to, you just get like dry throats when we wake up, scratchy eyes, watery nose. So a humidifier helps us basically live on land, meanwhile being coated in condensation, water, etc. So, I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. And I've got a cup of wine here. I love it. And, I have heard that wine is good when you have like a dry, mucousy throat. So, I mean, might as well try, right? Okay. So, also, since this is a haul video, or I mean humidifier video, I'm going to tell you guys some interesting facts about humidifiers while I unbox it. So the first interesting fact about humidifiers is that oh, it's a good one. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yep. Okay. Okay. Wow. Look at this beauty. If I had a cameraman, I would probably zoom in on this, but I don't, so I'm not going to. Also, if you guys could tell me in the comments below what type of humidifiers you had, I would greatly appreciate this, because when I looked this one up, there was only one review of it, and it was 5 stars, and it seemed a little like it was a scam, but I don't think it was. So anyway, it might just be a new model. It's actually one of the top new models that came out. Now this retails at $39.99, and I'd say that's a pretty good deal for a humidifier. So, what exactly do I do now? I think what you're supposed to do Okay guys, I'm back, and I've got it filled with water, cool water. there we go. Plugged in, locked and loaded. Look at that steam. Now, do you guys know how to turn the call function on? Because I read somewhere that it's actually able to call your friends and stuff, and I didn't see a screen or like a button that would do that, but if you guys know where that function is located, just let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you like my video. FreshwaterYeti sent.